Here's how to make mulberry syrup from foraged mulberries. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Prepare your jars, lids, and rings. Sanitize them. For this, you're going to need 24 cups of mulberries, which is about 6 pounds. To your mulberries in a large pan, you're going to add 10 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water. Mash the berries with a wooden spoon. In another pot, heat the sugar and water to boiling in a heavy kettle. Simmer for 10 minutes and then add the mashed berries. Heat to boiling and cook for 5 minutes over low heat. Sieve and then pour into hot, sterilized, sanitized jar. Process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. You don't want to miss all the good things I have planned for this summer. Here's the members only playlist for this series.